Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, guys, that we have right here. But even if you have a different year from that generation, it may be helpful as well. We're going to open the fuse box that's under the hood. That's in the engine bay. That's the engine bay fuse box, okay, that we will need to check. So let's first talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now you can see you have two different kinds of fuses, J-case fuse and the microblade fuse. If you need to buy replacement fuses for a fraction of the price instead of going to the parts store, you can conveniently get them online. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and supplies from. So those are the relays on top. The next row will be with fuses, and the fuse that you will need to check, guys, if you come on the very left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. That 30 amp, guys, fuse right here is for the power seat on the passenger side. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.